Thank you so much for this wonderful honor. My first acquaintance with Indus started many years ago when Dr. Nagesh Bhandari contacted me when I was in Delhi. Actually, we met in Toronto during one of my lectures. And then when I was in Delhi, he came and met me and suggested that we start a Center for Indic Studies at Indus. That's how the center came into being. I was invited to be somebody who could envision it and give it direction and get it started. Since then, the center has really done amazing work. It's gone places, thanks to its good leadership with Dr. Ram Sharma and others. And I'm sure in the years to come, the Center for Indic Studies at Indus University will become one of the better places in the study of India from an Indian point of view rather than a colonial point of view.